Well, hello guys, isn't this exciting? We're vlogging today and I am in my car presently and I'm gonna put some tunes on because I'm going to go and get my nails done in approximately 30 minutes and I so need them because, hello, we've lost one here. I was thinking of going a little bit shorter because I just keep breaking my nails. Why is this not working? There we go, working. I need to pull my chair in a little bit. So what I am doing is I am gonna go get my nails done. And seatbelt, safety first. And then I am going to go and get something to eat. I'm thinking Subway, even though it's not even anywhere near lunch, but I'm just kind of like hungry. So I'm so out of practice with vlogging because it's been a hot minute since I vlogged. So I don't even know what I should be vlogging, what I shouldn't be vlogging. I don't know, we're gonna just see. Like, I feel like the last time I vlogged was about 6 months ago, definitely, 1,000,000%. And I have like fun things coming up lately that are like in the near future that I want to bring you guys along for. Going to the premiere of The Lion King in Smithfield on Monday. I'm going out to my friend Ruth. Actually, she used to own the company Misfit Skinny Tea. Ruth is like my bae. I love Ruth. So I'm going to go down and see her and her husband Clark on Thursday, and I think I'm going to bring my sister with me because we're all quite close. I need to go and visit Michelle as well. That's like on top of my list, but I have to go see Ruth first because obviously she's having a little baby. Well, she's pregnant, so she's announced her pregnancy, and I want to kind of just go down and actually see her because I haven't seen her since she told me like the day she did the pregnancy test, or like the day after or something, and I was like, oh my god, I was like, how am I going to keep this to myself for like 12 weeks? But she's like announced her pregnancy and everything, so it's safe for me to talk about that. This weekend I don't know, am I going to Dundrum or Liffey Valley or somewhere? I'm thinking shopping, and yeah, premiere on Monday, and then I'm getting my hair done next Thursday in Platinum. So it's all like go for the next week, so there's lots of things that I can bring you along for. Well, I'm hoping that they'll be exciting. Like I said, I'm so out of practice at this, I don't even know like what I should be vlogging anymore, and yeah, I'm just blabbing here. Vlogging, talking and driving are like not the most easiest thing to do, so I'm gonna keep my eyes on the road. I'm just gonna keep blabbing on like I would if I was sitting talking to like a friend in the car. I need to edit tomorrow's video as well, which I'll do that when I get home, and then I want to film a little bit of content for you guys for the week as well. But this vlog will be going up also this week. I have nutrition videos planned. I have a lot of stuff going on, a lot of stuff. I had a girl who went to school in Aldi the other day, and she was like, I really miss your vlogs, and it kind of like just hit home to me that like even people that live in my area are kind of like been like, I miss like your vlogs, like as well as like obviously my subscribers and like my followers in different countries. And I was just like, but the vlogs must have been like popular, maybe people liked them, so that's why I'm doing them. I'm doing them for you guys. I'm doing them all for you guys. But I didn't realise that there was a popularity surrounding the vlogs. Even my mum misses them, so I think it's like her way of like keeping up to date with what I'm actually up to. So I think bringing the vlogs back is a good decision. I think it's the best decision I've made all year. I also was asked a question on one of my latest YouTube videos about Project Pan. If you guys remember, back in January I started Project Pan. Project Pan's gone by the wayside, guys, because I'm not dedicated enough to working on one product at a time. I'm just not. I'm a multi-use product girl. I can't focus on like one foundation or one lipstick every single time I go to do my makeup. It's just not who I am. I'm just not like that. I like to mix it up. So Project Pan has been scrapped. That was great. I started it in January, and I was supposed to do an update in April and then do another one in August. Yeah, that went really well. Also, that time of the month has just come about us, and I just feel like somebody has absolutely lambasted me with a box into the stomach. It's just, I feel horrendous. So getting my nails done is going to be like a welcome thing. I was out with Amy yesterday and the kiddies all day, and I was out on like Cody's scooter, and I was just like, oh my god, this is so fun. Been out with like the kids' toys that they're playing on around the house, and I was like, oh my god, I actually feel like a big child. But it was the most fun I've had in ages, just out with scooters and stuff. And then we're watching Love Island, drama in Love Island, Is anyone else watching Love Island? I mean, is anybody not watching Love Island? I'd say that would be a shorter list. It's like an addiction. I don't know what I'm gonna do when it's over, because I actually feel like I have to go back to real life. I'm living vicariously through like beautiful bronze strangers for the summer. So I'm nearly at my nail appointment, so I'm just gonna obviously stop vlogging, but I'll bring you into the nail appointment so you can see what my new nails look like. So I'm quite excited for them to be done. I have, what to call it, brain freeze. Nails are done, and they're white, and they're very pretty, and they're shorter. I'm still drinking this drink. Of course I'm still drinking it, because it takes me like 10 years to finish like a coffee or a tea or any sort of drink. I am sweating buckets here today. It's really warm, like 22 degrees, but there's no sun out. Like I know probably people in America are like, oh my god, the weather's so much hotter here, but in Ireland this is like the nice summer weather that we do get, but it's quite humid today. Also, I put up a picture on my story on Instagram of my camera saying I was vlogging today, and so many of you guys like actually cannot respond to the amount of comments, so I'm sorry if I don't get to respond to all of you, but the amount of comments of people just been like, yes, I'm so happy you're vlogging again. So it seems to be something that you guys are very interested in and are kind of like excited about. So I hope that the vlog is good today, because I don't know, I'm not really sure I'm out of practice. So I'm gonna go to Subway right now. I am sweltering. I'm gonna get my reg sub and I'll bring you in with me. Like, what is your favorite sub, guys? Because I have so many different ones, like depending on like the day, but my reg sub is the herb bread with the cheese, melted cheese. Oh my god, I can't think of it. The herb cheese bread, turkey breast with cheese melted. And then I get for salads either spinach or lettuce, depending on what they have in. If they have spinach, I will go with that first. But I'm kind of feeling lettuce today, some iceberg. And then I get tomato, cucumber, mixed pepper, ranch sauce. And I'm gonna get a 12-inch today because I'm feeling extra hungry. I'm gonna go home and watch Home and Away and Neighbours, and then I'm gonna edit and then plan videos for the rest of the week. So that is what I'm at. Also, I was like going through my glove compartment and I had like these eyelashes in there that I've had in there for a while. They're from the Jessica Wright brand. They're from Deals, I think. Will that focus on her? Yeah, I don't know. These are called Vibey lashes, and I found them in my glove compartment when I was looking for the thing to stick on the window so I can mount my camera, and I found those lashes in there, and I'm actually really like loving those shape of the lashes, and I don't know why I threw them in my glove compartment and I'm not wearing them. So I have worn them once before and I really liked them. I think I'm just too hungry to focus, so I'm gonna go feed myself and chat to you later. No, I'll tell you when to stop. Foot long sub, yes, get in. I'm going to annihilate that foot long sub. I can't wait to eat it at home. I'm so excited for this sub. Yes, oh my god, so excited. So turkey, cheese, we got peppers. I decided to go with iceberg lettuce, some cucumber and tomato. Just absolutely delicious with ranch sauce, my absolute favorite. Yum! On Italian herb and cheese. I couldn't remember what it was called earlier, but that's it. It's just the best ever. Hey guys, so I've been working for the last few hours editing my video. Actually, I'll show you the product that I will be featuring in my new video. It is the Hello Happy Flawless Brightening Foundation. This is it. It's from Benefit and it's like their newest foundation that they brought out. They sent me out a bottle last week and they wanted me to review it. So, well, they didn't want me to review it, they just sent it to me. But I wanted to review it for you guys. And I have that video kind of basically edited and ready to go for tomorrow. So I said that sorry, I'm out of breath. I just ran up the stairs because I want to go for a shower now and I just want to kind of like chill out for the rest of the evening and just kind of get my life in order. So that's what I've been doing for the last like while, is just like working. And then I got a PR package sent to me from I was going to say from Elizabeth Arden, no, from Kat Von D, and I kind of know like the whole Kat Von D gate, and like we're like not standing her and we're just like totally against Kat Von D, but I did get sent a PR from her. So I just said I'll show you guys it, like if like it's obviously you have no obligation to any of you to like purchase it, but it was just sent out to me, so I'll show you what they sent. The PR brand sent me out 5 products. They sent me out the blotting powder, foundation, a lip liner and 2 lipsticks. I've tried their foundation before, this one here, but I've never tried any of their lip products or this locket powder. I have the loose one, which I actually really love. I have a whole review of this up on my channel. So this is what the foundation looks like. I'll just open the bottom of it here. These are the products. So this is what the powder looks like. I actually really like her packaging. Like I always think Kat Von D's packaging is pretty cool. Powder obviously looks like that. It's just a powder foundation. And then I got the lip liner in Bow and Arrow. And then 2 lipsticks. One is in, what is this? Ophelia. And then the other one is in, what's this called? Lovecraft. So that's Ophelia on the left and Lovecraft on the right. They're actually really nice shades. So I'm actually dying to try these out. I still don't know if I'll feature these on my channel, just, you know, because people do get really annoyed. Even like I'm probably afraid to feature them on my blog. And I said I would never buy anything from Kat Von D again because of her anti-vaxxing like stance, which I really don't stand by that. But look, these are just makeup products, so it's kind of like down to you guys at the end of the day. I'm sure there's lots of people who watch my videos who love Kat Von D, so this is for you guys. So that's what those 2 products look like. They look really nice. Lip liner in Bow and Arrow. I'm just going to swatch that on the back of my hand actually. That's actually a really nice brown lip liner. It's a really nice colour. So anyway, they're the products that got sent to me, so thank you very much. I'm always appreciative to any PR that I get sent. It's always really nice to be recognised. And yeah, I just feel like when it was sent to me, I'll show you guys, for those of you who love Kat Von D and want to see some products. There you go. Out of the shower and my hair is wet obviously, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some of the One Revlon coconut stuff into my lengths and all over my dressing gown as well, because I have one hand. Generally I wouldn't do that, and I just kind of like run it through my lengths. I feel like my hair looks chronic, like it's so bad, like my roots have grown out so much. I have a dragged root, which means that I basically have like dark roots at the top and then like blonde going through it, because I don't want my hair damaged anymore. So I'm so excited to like get my hair done next week, because it's just looking like Raggedy Ann here. And I'm going to get all my extensions taken out and then my colour done and then my extensions put back in, because the drag root, like I have a drag root, which basically, it's not like balayage, it's kind of like balayage, but like balayage I think usually goes down to like around here maybe. It is making my hair so much healthier lately, like it's so healthy. Like I don't have any snapped ends, dead ends, anything like that. Like it's just really healthy. Like all these bits of hair are actually growing. I have like tiny bits of my fringe that are like coming back. They look like really small bits here, but they're actually like baby hairs that have started to like grow a bit longer. I'm very excited about this. Very excited. So I can't wait to get my hair done next week. I just realized as well, I have one earring in for like the last 2 days. I don't know why I have one earring in, but I do. So I'm gonna go dry this mane and get back to work and then upload the video for tomorrow. And then I'm like all set and I need to film tomorrow. I'm like not really sure what I should film, whether I should do like a makeup look or something. I don't know. I have no idea what I want to do. It's so nice outside. Like I just want to be outside in it. It's so good. I've been tanning like the last week and a half, like any day that it's nice, and like I'm going so brown. I'm just like really tanned. I'm loving my tanned life. Loving it. I'm sorry, why are you digging my clothes off my bed? What are you doing? Chewy just had a bath and he's after coming up here and he's like digging at all my clothes. Look what he's done. We're not loving this. Not loving my stuff on my bed. I'm soz. What are you doing? Strange creature. Well, that's alright. Be wet and just lie on all my clean clothes. That's just lovely. I need to put away all those clothes. But now wet Chewy is lying on them. Cheers for that, mate. Wow, we made it to the end of day 1 of the vlog. What is happening with the camera? Anyway, yeah, we made it to the end of day 1 of vlogging, back vlogging, and I'm very excited because I actually remembered to finish the vlog, which is surprising because generally I would forget. I'm sitting on my bedroom floor for no other reason other than I felt like it was a comfortable place for me to sit down. And yeah, I'm actually really thrilled that I decided to like vlog all day and talk to you guys about random stuff. I finished watching Love Island there obviously a few hours ago and I was just very upset. It was totes emotion. Spoiler, but Amy left. I'm sure a lot of you know that already because it was all over the internet, and also the episode aired tonight. But it was actually so sad. Like I actually genuinely felt totes emotion over it because it was just really, I don't know, it was really sad. It was really upsetting, and just like everything she said, and I don't know, she's not like, I'm not her biggest fan, but she just gave like the most adorable little speech and stuff. And then they had like that song Snow Patrol sang. I don't know who was singing it, but it was just like the feels, just the song, everything. I was just getting very emotional. I finished up my work and yeah, I don't really think of anything else to check in on. I am so out of practice with vlogging and talking to myself. You would think that because I do this for a living that I would know what to say, but I don't really. Anyway, I'm going to bed. That is the bottom line, and I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, please let me know if you want me to continue doing this. From the comments that I've gotten from Twitter and Instagram and on my comment section on YouTube, it seems a thing that you guys do want me to continue doing this, so I can definitely do that. Yeah, I'm gonna try and vlog as regularly as I can. I'll just see how it goes, but I'm not promising anything. I'm always kind of a bit reluctant to do vlogs because I share so much of my life on them, and I am quite a private person. Like that's just the way I've always been in my life and now, and no matter what, I'm just a private person. And I feel like when I do divulge an awful lot of information, or information in general, sometimes it's like thrown back in your face, and sometimes like you say things and like they're taken up wrong, and I don't know. But I just feel like vlogging is a part of my YouTube life, and I just really enjoy it. So if I'm not revealing anything or not saying things or anything, it's because I don't want to. So please don't ask me any questions about things that I have not spoken about in a vlog, like private matters and stuff, because, you know, I clearly don't want to talk about them. So they will possibly come up in future vlogs, but just respect that if you can at all. Other than that, I don't think of anything else I want to say to you guys. I really enjoyed vlogging today. I actually had quite a lovely day vlogging, and I'm gonna go now. I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for watching, and if you do want to continue seeing the vlogs, let me know in the comment section or wherever. I'm hitting my little sheep. And we'll talk to y'all in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.